Good morning, guys. Out here in the California Delta again. Launched out of Sugar Barge Marina. Gonna be coming out of Frank's track right now, hitting up some Thule points, throwing some Topwater. I'm gonna be throwing a whopper plopper. I'm out here with my girlfriend. She might be throwing a Topwater, I'm not sure yet. We'll see what she's up to do. But yeah, it is 6:25 right now, so good time to get out in the water. Hopefully we get on a good bite. It's been kind of up and down here on the Delta lately. My buddies were out here yesterday. Didn't do too well, but we'll see what we can do. So, see you out there. Oh! Oh, God. It's a striper. Jesus. That one exploded on it. Oh, you got hit. You got one. Real. Oh, you missed it. He did hit it.
No.
Oh, got him. Got him. Keep pressure. Keep pressure. It's a little one. Oh my God.
Yeah, I don't mess with these.
Oh, there's a snake.
Oh, hell, where?
Right there.
Ooh.
I've never seen a snake out here. There's one. Okay. Oh, all right. All right. Joel. Use that trapper hook. Look pretty good. Stanko action. Jeez, they're freaking tiny.
Ooh.
Lucky licks, buddy. Yeah, I'll get a big one now. Got one. Did one?
Yeah.
There's one. Come here, buddy. Harley. Hey. Hey. Oh, oh. Come on.
Ooh, you don't get the, you do get the lucky bug. You almost. That's a fish.
Is that your biggest?
No.
Nope.
Look, Harley.
Out in the middle again? Out in the middle again. Oh, there he is. Take it.
Do not hit me in the face.
Take it. Oh! I told you out in the middle. I called that one. Oh, he's in the weeds. Get out there, buddy. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh. Oh, oh, okay.
Better size one for today.
Oh, that was the hook. Okay, there we go. Look at that chunky. Look at how chunky that one is. Probably almost 2 pounds. Okay. Always lucky. Lick it. Come on. He doesn't like it. Oh no. He denied it. That's not good.
Ready?
Yeah, you got a reel. Did you know it was there, or was that just like...
I just saw it, my line move. Yeah, I think it choked it. No? No?
Good boy. Oh. Oh, it's actually a good one. Come here, buddy. Yes. There we go. There's a 2.5 pounder. And he's been under a while. He's nice and dark. Lick him. Good boy. Give him the lucky lick. On that freaking punching. Sweet. Hey, buddy. Nice. Oh. Oh, and immediately grabbed it. Whew. You just slowly taking line. It's because he was freaking tiny. That's why. Got that black, red, some purple punch skirt, ounce and a half tungsten, D-bomb, California Love.
I think all the fish went to sleep.
Did they? They went to sleep, Taylor?
Don't put that in your video.
Oh, it's going in.
Oh no, do not put that on your video.
Are they going to sleep, Taylor?
Shut up.
Oh, oh. Jesus. There he is. And he thumped it hard. Okay, all right, there we go. Another dinker. Oh. Unbelievable. Oh! 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 How?
They're your keys.
Yeah, they're on the side of me.
You have control over them.
And you kind of just jumped on me,
I said 1, 2.
It's a nice one. That was so quick. Chunky 2-pounder. Munched it right on the edge of those toolies. Hey. Are you in the licking phase? Yeah, you are. Okay, good boy. Sweet. I want my Senko. Thanks, dude. Dick.
So it's like, you don't really care.
Biggin.
Oh, it's hot.
Dunk him. Here, we'll dunk him with the fishy. Come here. Just come here.
No, Herbie, he doesn't want to.
Lick it.
He's like, no, you're gonna dunk me.
Yes.
Not all the way. You have to throw the question. Just like, well, there we go. Sorry, buddy. Okay, babe. Okay.
It's the dream.
Oh!